Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth and have distinctly massive bodies, large ears, and long trunks. They use their trunks to pick up objects, trumpet warnings, greet other elephants, or suck up water for drinking or bathing, among other uses. Both male and female African elephants grow tusks, and each individual can either be left or right tusked, and the one they use more is usually smaller because of wear and tear. Elephant tusks serve many purposes. These extended teeth can be used to protect the elephant's trunk, lift and move objects, gather food, and strip bark from trees. During times of drought, elephants even use their tusks to dig holes to find water underground. 3 living species are currently recognized: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. 2 genetically different African species exist: the savanna elephant and the forest elephant, with a number of characteristics that differentiate them both. The African savanna elephant is the largest elephant species, while the Asian forest elephant and the African forest elephant are of a comparable, smaller size. Asian elephants differ in several ways from their African relatives, with more than 10 distinct physical differences between them. For example, Asian elephants' ears are smaller compared to the large fan-shaped ears of the African species. Only some male Asian elephants have tusks, while both male and female African elephants grow tusks. Elephants live in small family groups led by old females cow. Where food is plentiful, the groups join together. Most males, bulls, live in bachelor herds apart from the cows. Males and females both possess 2 glands that open between the eye and ear. Elephants of all ages and sexes secrete a fluid called temperin out of this orifice. Males, however, enter a must period, during which they secrete a fluid differing in viscosity from the fluid secreted when they are not in must. Must is the time for establishing reproductive hierarchy, which can differ from the usual social hierarchy in that a male in must outranks non-must males. In the wild, males are usually at their prime physical state during must and ordinarily do most of the breeding. Elephants are able to assess the reproductive status of one another by using their keen sense of smell. Inside the skull, elephants possess from 7 to 9 nasal turbinals with specialized sensitive tissues for olfaction. Humans have only 3 turbinals, dogs have 5. When a female is in estrus, or when a male is in must, an elephant apparently can detect airborne hormones. Elephants are polygynous breeders, and copulations are most frequent during the peak of the wet season. A cow in estrus releases chemical signals, pheromones, in her urine and vaginal secretions to signal her readiness to mate. A bull will follow a potential mate and assess her condition with the Fleckman response, which requires the male to collect a chemical sample with his trunk and bring it to the vomeronasal organ. Bulls engage in a behavior known as mate guarding, where they follow estrus females and defend them from other males. Most mate guarding is done by must males, and females actively seek to be guarded by them, particularly older ones. Thus these bulls have more reproductive success. For young females, the approach of an older bull can be intimidating, so her relatives stay nearby to provide support and reassurance. During copulation, the male lays his trunk over the female's back. The penis is very mobile, being able to move independently of the pelvis. Before mounting, it curves forward and upward. Copulation lasts about 45 seconds and does not involve pelvic thrusting or ejaculatory pause. Elephant sperm must swim close to 2 meters, 6.6 feet, to reach the egg. By comparison, human sperm has to swim around only 76.2 millimeters, 3.00 in. Homosexual behavior is frequent in both sexes. As in heterosexual interactions, this involves mounting. Male elephants sometimes stimulate each other by play fighting, and championships may form between old bulls and younger males. Female same-sex behaviors have been documented only in captivity, where they are known to masturbate one another with their trunks. Gestation is the longest of any mammal, 18 to 22 months. A baby elephant is called a calf. It weighs about 250 pounds at birth and stands about 3 feet tall. Calves can't see very well at first, but they can recognize their mothers by touch, scent, and sound. Baby elephants stay very close to their mothers for the first couple of months. The calves drink their mother's milk for about 2 years, sometimes longer. They drink up to 3 gallons of milk a day. At about 4 months old, they also begin eating some plants, like adult elephants, but they continue to need as much milk from their mother. They keep drinking milk for up to 10 years. At first, baby elephants don't really know what to do with their trunks. They swing them to and fro and sometimes even step on them. They will suck their trunk just as a human baby might suck its thumb. By about 6 to 8 months, calves begin learning to use their trunks to eat and drink. By the time they are a year old, they can control their trunks pretty well and, like adult elephants, use their trunks for grasping, eating, drinking, bathing. Female elephants stay with the herd for life, while males leave to begin a solitary life at about 12 to 14 years of age. Elephants migrate seasonally according to the availability of food and water. Memory plays an important role during this time, as they remember locations of water supplies along migration routes. Intelligence has also been observed in conjunction with memory. Subsequently, the elephant was seen to uncover the sand, unplug the hole, and drink, a behavior that could be interpreted as tool making. Although unable to jump or gallop, elephants can reach a top speed of 40 kilometers, 25 miles, per hour. Their feet are well adapted to carrying their great weight. The heel is partially elevated, and below it is a thick fatty, fibrous wedge of tissue protected by thick skin. It is not easy for elephants to lie down and get up. They sleep lying down for 3 to 4 hours during the night. While standing, elephants doze for short periods but do not sleep deeply. An adult elephant consumes about 100 kilograms of food and 100 liters, 26 gallons, of water per day. These amounts can double for a hungry and thirsty individual. Such consumption makes elephants an important ecological factor. They substantially affect and even alter the ecosystems they live in. Elephants help maintain forest and savanna ecosystems for other species and are integrally tied to rich biodiversity. Elephants are important ecosystem engineers. They make pathways in dense forested habitat that allow passage for other animals. An elephant footprint can also enable a micro-ecosystem that, when filled with water, can provide a home for tadpoles and other organisms. As keystone species, they help maintain biodiversity of the ecosystems they inhabit.